Alright, so this is a video of the Quorum QXL ceiling fan, which is installed in the secondary dining room. And I'll go and turn it on. This is going to be low. We have it on the speed the most 3 times when guests are here. A good low speed. I feel a tiny bit of air, but not that much. Okay, here's medium. Yeah, for some reason it does make a noise. When I turn it on medium, it makes a noise. Oh, I'm starting to feel a bunch of air. We have it this speed when it's summer and very hot outside. But here's high. We never have it on this speed. Ooh, it's going really fast. And turn it off. Alright, hope you enjoy, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.